Phrasal verbs, examples, and tests. Wake up early in the morning. Put on your jacket when you go out. Please clean up your room. She made up a new story. Dress up nicely for the party. When the teacher entered, everyone stood up. Please sit down on the chair. She mixed up the colors. The boy aimed at the tree with his bow. He bumped into his old friend on the street. The wind blew away my hat. When you grow up, you will be a doctor. He blew out the birthday candles. The laptop burned down in the fire. The car broke down in the middle of the road. A thief broke in last night. Please calm down and don't cry. The mother cares for her baby. She checked in at the hotel. I chopped up the carrots. He cuts off the dry branches. Call your mom back later. The little cat fell down. Fill up the glass. The balloon was too full and blew up. She found out the answer. My dad fixed up my bike. I don't give up anymore. Please get out of the room. Quickly get in the car. Get off the bus here. Get up early in the morning. Give back the money to your friend. We usually hang out after school. Look up the meaning of this word in the dictionary. She looks after her old father. My grandma will come here on Friday. I'm really looking forward to her. The firefighter put out the fire. She picked up her toys from the floor. The driver pulled up in front of the house. She showed off her painting. The helicopter took off. Please take out the trash.
Turn on the TV.
Turn off the radio. Please think about your future. Watch out for cars. Please throw away this old paper. Write down a letter for me. The caterpillar turned into a beautiful butterfly.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends.